Here's another day at the shop. Well, now we have some squirrels in here. Don't remember not to let your cars sit for a while outside because they will definitely make a house inside your engine.
Let's try to move.
I guess
them.
just
Swing
them
over
one
your
at a
hood,
time, yeah.
check it.
Move them, and then
But this time we have small squirrels in the engine.
Are they alive?
I hope they are.
Yeah.
Guys, is it gonna be a king of the bottom at this point? Like who can hide the deepest?
That's what they're trying to do right now.
We allowed to grab a tail.
I'd say if you can grab two at a time, I would just grab two at a time before they
let me
all start
let me
scattering.
get
I'm gonna take one home with me.
no, not thick gloves, just regular gloves.
A glove on my heart,
There's a left glove.
I'll raise it.